Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for the past 6 years, I've been helping people in Zambia buy and sell crypto. So we can actually buy or sell any cryptocurrency to me easy like within minutes. So to simplify things, I've actually even come up with a platform to help me with that. So you can actually do everything at your own demand at any time. You can exchange with me. Okay. So all you need to do is simply visit the link in the description, which is keithfx.com, and create an account. Then you'll be able to buy and sell through me. So I'm going to give you an example on how you can actually do everything. Before you continue, I would like you to know about the ultimate sports betting experience with Person, which is the leading sports betting platform in Zambia. So they're actually proud to offer a seamless integration of cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, thereby making your betting journey more convenient and secure than ever before. So sign up now and you can enjoy a generous welcome bonus of up to 2,200 kwacha, which can actually give your bets an incredible boost from the very start. So to make use of this opportunity, be sure to use the referral code KEITHORENS when you sign up. So with the range of sports events and games to choose from and the flexibility of cryptocurrency transactions, Barpresa actually ensures that the betting experience is not only thrilling but also rewarding. Don't miss out on the action. Join now and evade your sports betting game with Barpresa. Let's say you'd like to buy Bitcoin in Zambia right now. What do you do? Of course, visit my link, and what you need to do is you're going to be sending Kwacha. So click on Zambian Kwacha and you're going to be receiving Bitcoin. So now enter in the amount, okay, of Bitcoin you want to get. So to make things simpler, okay, you're going to be entering the amount. You can either you're going to be entering the amount in Zambian Kwachas so that you don't get confused, because obviously you do not know how to convert from Bitcoin to dollars, from dollars to Kwacha, and it's just a long process. So adding things in Zambian Kwacha actually makes things easier. So let's say I'd like to buy, or you'd like to buy Bitcoin with let us say a 1,000 kwacha or so. So simply enter in a 1,000, and it's telling you that you're going to receive 0.006 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so what you need to do is then click on swap currencies. Okay, so to buy Bitcoin worth 1,000, there's a fee that you're going to pay. Okay, so you're going to pay a fee of 0.0014. So don't amend this amount here is saying that you're going to receive 0.00. Well, it's because I've only added like two digits, what's this, numbers after the main price. So I think I need to add like, don't like 10 digits or so. That's like how I've added to the exchange charge. So how much is this fee? Like, is this a big fee? Is this a small fee? Like, how do you know all this? Well, you can simply make use of Google. Like, it's easy. So first of all, let us do this. Okay, so simply copy out this entire amount, copy it and go to Google, simply paste it in, then write to USD. Okay, so this is $4. So to buy 1,000 kwacha worth of Bitcoin, I'm only going to pay $4. So what exchange rate am I using? Well, I'm using the official, not really the official, like I'm using the rate that all exchanges use. Like in the past, I've been buying and selling crypto, and I've been telling people no, $1 is at 22 kwacha, 23, 21. But I've decided to make things simpler. So instead of adding your own rates, because some people think as if you're stealing from there when you tell them no, I'm buying crypto at $1 at 22. But when you go on Google, you're going to find that $1 is actually 20 kwacha. But why should you buy at 22 when $1 is at 20 kwacha? So to make things simpler, so I'm using the rate which you can find anywhere, like on Google, or like from exchanges, or like from banks. Okay, and what I'm doing is that I'm actually adding a fee, but this time in percentage and not in rates. So I've been adding the percentage in rates, in within the rates, but now I'm using the real rate. For example, if $1 is at 20 kwacha, okay, that's the rate I'm going to see on my website. But we're going to pay a fee in percentage. So what is the fee in percentage? Well, the fee in percentage is not always going to be the same. It's always going to be different depending on how much it's costing to get crypto or to buy crypto or to sell crypto in Zambia. But currently, as I'm making this video, there's a 10% fee on my website. So I'm buying 1000 worth of BTC. So let's try to calculate if this is fair. Okay, so it makes things simpler. You're buying 1000 kwacha, get BTC, right? So now let's find out how much is 1000 in dollars. So to do that, open up a new tab, say 1000 ZMW to USD. So this is 46.56, right? Okay, so I'm going to get 46 dollars worth of BTC, right? Then there's a fee of $4 to get this BTC. Yeah, let me just go back. So there's a fee of 0.0014, and when we went to Google, we found out that this is actually 4.20. So if I come back here, so we're going to remain with about 42 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to remain with 42 worth of Bitcoin. Like, this is a good fee because it's really expensive to get crypto in Zambia. Usually you pay more to get less. So this is really fair. Like, the good part of my platform is that nothing is hidden, everything is transparent. You'll be able to see everything. So don't mind about the 0.00 you're seeing here. It's because we're buying a really small amount of BTC, and it's about 0.00 something. Okay, like there are 3 digits after the full stop. So yeah. Then now all you need to do is simply enter in your Bitcoin wallet address. Remember, you're buying Bitcoin. So how are you going to receive the Bitcoin? Well, you're only going to receive it if you paste the Bitcoin wallet address just here. Once you're done with that, click on process exchange. When you do this, the next step which will be required of you is to actually send the money. When you send the money, then I'll go on and process the exchange, and they're going to receive the Bitcoin. So the good part about this platform is that you're going to be notified on every stage of the step. Like when you initiate an exchange, you will receive an email. When you complete the trade, okay, when you receive, you're going to receive emails, and everything just perfect. So make use of this platform. But for now, this is Keith. Let me know what you think about my fees and the entire platform in general. But for now,